Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about some of the important points of C3 and C4 plants. Here in this question they are asking about similarity between C3 and C4 plants. Here 4 points are given, that is Cranch anatomy, C3 pathway of carbon dioxide fixation, dimorphic chloroplast, high carbon dioxide compensation point. So Cranch anatomy and this dimorphic chloroplast is present in case of C4 plants, while this high carbon dioxide compensation point is there in case of C3 plant. With the help of diagram, let's understand what is Cranch anatomy. Here this is the TS of a C4 plant leaf. It is showing Cranch anatomy. It means there is no differentiation of mesophyll cells into palisade and spongy parenchyma. Only one type of cells they are there, and intercellular either it is absent there or very little intercellular space is there. But in case of C3 plants, there is differentiation of the mesophyll cells into elongated cells known as palisade cells, and these rounded cells they are known as the spongy parenchyma. So in this case there is no Cranch anatomy. Mesophyll is divided into palisade and spongy parenchyma, while in case of C4 plants there was no differentiation. Let's talk about dimorphic type of chloroplast. In case of C4 plants, there are two type of chloroplast are found. This is granule type of chloroplast are found in case of mesophyll cells, while agranule is found in case of bundle C cell. In agranule type means only one thylakoid is present, but in case of mesophyll cell there is a stack of thylakoid known as grana. So that's the difference between chloroplast of mesophyll cells and chloroplast of bundle C cells. Let's talk about Calvin cycle in case of C3 and C4 plant. In C4 plant as well as in C3 plants, this Calvin cycle occurs, but the place they are occurring is different. In C4 plants, it is occurring in bundle C cell, while in case of C3 plants, it is occurring in mesophyll cell. So that's the point of difference. Here they are asking about the similarity. In this question they are asking about the similarity. So it's the C3 pathway of carbon dioxide fixation, that is through Calvin cycle. It is happening in both, but the places they are the different one. Thanks for watching my videos.